express 120 as a product of its prime factors in index form. So you'd start off maybe with this branch method, okay? Or you can use the ladder method to your choice. So in this case, a pair of numbers 2 and 60, yeah? 2 goes into it nicely, so we know 2 is prime. And we branch off from 60 then, yeah? Because clearly 60 is not prime. And we know 2 goes into 60. So we halve it, it goes 30, so 2 is prime. 30, well, again, 30 is not prime, isn't it? Again, 2 will go into it, okay? So 2 goes into it 15 times. So we can circle 2, the prime. 15 is not prime, so then we've got 3 and 5, yeah, for 15 then, yeah, as a pair. 3 times 5 will multiply to give 15, okay? So there's our pair there, our final pair there, and there's no more branches coming from there. So with our answer then, okay, we'll say, look, 120 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, okay? So there's 3 of them there, and then 3 and a 5. This becomes then 2 to the power 3 times 3 times 5, okay? Because you've got 3 lots of 2 there, so you put the power there in index form. Okay, so that's what my 120 is. Now when it comes to B, it asks you to use your answer in part A, okay? So we don't need to go through the whole branch thing again with this, okay? And you don't actually need to work this out. You know, you could do 120 times 4 and you get 480, but you don't need to do that there because they're asking you to use your answer in A, okay? And if you think about it, right? Well, 120, the answer from A I had here, so I'll write that for 120, okay? And then we've got to times it by 4. Now, we've got to put it as a product of prime factors in index form. Now, 4 isn't prime, isn't it? However, I can write 4 as a product of prime factors in its own right. Okay, if you think about it, 4 is just 2 squared, isn't it? Yeah? 2 times 2 gives me 4. So now I've got all prime numbers here. Okay? And we can tidy this up a bit. We can make it a bit neater by putting the 2's together. Okay? So I've got 2 cubed times 2 squared times 3 times 5. And what you remember with indices, okay, when you've got the product here, right, where the powers are the same, okay, you can actually put these together, can't you? So if you remember, you add the powers, so you get 2 to the power 5 times then what we've got here, 3 times 5.